Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Seems like it was just the other day I hooked this disc up, because it was, but I'm gonna unhook it. That looks about like as good a place as any. Nice concrete pad here so the jack won't go anywhere. Well guys, I gotta add a couple things to the old tractor here. One, I'm gonna add a plug for some hazards on an implement and a power connector. So you guys probably seen in a different episode, I just had this all apart here. If you want to click up here to watch that. If you haven't seen it, I did some adjustment on my parking detent, but I'm going to pull this cover back off. The reason I'm going to pull this cover off is so I can follow some wires. The wires I want to follow are these right here. Ooh, that's not cool. I'm glad I pulled that apart because I pinched that. And apparently that thing's still hot. That wire right there is still hot. See? Yep. That was cool. So these wires go up into there. Well guys, I had to get moving on this so we can go make some hay. But I went and ran this cable. One of these is the ground, keyed and hot. I went and ran it along here. It's going to be underneath the floor pan. And it goes up in behind here. I was going to show you guys hooking that up, but there's a whole bunch of not very nice wiring in there that I'm not ready to show you guys. So I'm gonna stick the floor back on. So is what I ended up doing here for the lights. I just temporarily wired this up. Hopefully they're right. So I have ground, I have taillights, and I have hazards. And on my tractor here, these wires, when I followed them, this is hazards, and then I have a ground and a taillight in here. So I'll try to find the taillight wire here. There we go. So I will hook this up into the taillight wire. That one's the ground. It's some old hard insulation on this wire. There we go. Well, I found this old light bracket laying around from an old trailer plug off a vehicle, and nothing screams temporary like semi-permanent. I was just going to zip tie it on there, but that looks a lot better. Well, there it is. I got all the work done on the tractor. Let's go hook this thing up to something. Well, it's kind of windy out today. Not the best day for videoing, probably. I'm gonna hook up to that. I realized that I put my hitch under that hitch, but it is perfectly lined up. Pop this guy out. Slide that in, let it down. And then we can finish jacking this down. And my brother said the PTO shaft came apart. I don't see the other half. Let's see if we got lights. Yeah, we kind of got lights. I don't know if the blinker doesn't want to blink because of the LEDs. Got everything all hooked up. The PTO was a little struggle. Had to wipe off the grease off the end of it and find the spline. The two splines that were welded together. Well guys, this might be a kind of rough one with the wind. Gotta let the pickup down. You guys have seen this before. If you want to see me baling last year, click up here. I was using a lot bigger tractor. Pull our twine out. We'll let her rip now. I did go and put some rock in the rock box. guys. I think that's all the video I'm gonna shoot for today. It's kind of too windy to get any decent shots. And I'm gonna get this stuff baled. And it sounds like I got something to look at on the baler. It's kind of rattling around. Not sure what that is. But thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Take care and God bless. Well, found out what that noise was. There ain't a bearing left in here. You wanna run them?